I'm making this video to describe the STP election process. STP election process, or Spanning Tree Protocol election process. So this is part 2 of my first video about Spanning Tree Protocol. Now, when STP when the switches first boot up, every switch in the network, they're going to say, "Hey, I'm the root bridge," and they're each going to contend with each other to see who's going to be the root bridge. So how are they going to define who's the root bridge? They're each going to have what is referred to as an election process. So the bridges, they all send what is referred to as BPDUs, or Bridge Protocol Data Units, out of their ports. So the lowest BPDU wins the election and becomes the root bridge. And the BPDU consists of two components. It consists of the port priority. It consists of a priority and a MAC address. And the priority is a number from 1 to 65,536. So 1 to 65,536, and the lowest number from 1 to 65,536 is going to be the priority. It's going to be the winner of the election process. Now, the default priority is the number. It's a magic number. This number, I call it a magic number because not so much a magic number, but it's 32,768. 32,768 is the default priority. I have it listed, written right here, default. So now, in my next video, I'm going to explain what happens when there's a tie between priorities. Let's say this switch right here has 32,768. This switch right here is 32,768, and this switch right here is 32,768. And when there's a tie between priorities, then the second factor that the switch will take into consideration as to what switch will be when the election is the MAC address, and then we go by what is the lowest MAC address. So as for now, we have learned that 32,768 is the default priority. The range of priority is from 1 to 65,536, and STP has an election process. And in my next video, I will explain about MAC addresses and how they factor into the equation of what is who wins the STP election process. And of course, this is the network engineer, William M., and I'm signing off. Thank you.